Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. We are currently at a gas station, so today we're gonna camp with the kerosene space heater again because we really enjoyed it last time. It's very clean, it's easy, it's a little safer, and it doesn't take as much maintenance as the wood stove. One of the reasons why I want to switch over to kerosene is we were hoping that it would be more affordable or more on budget. But if you get the kerosene oil or kerosene gas from like Home Depot or hardware, it could be pricey. It's like almost same as you buying a firewood. I looked up on like how to like save money on that kind of stuff. It says you could go to some gas station, they sell kerosenes by like gallon. So we found this Speedway. The app is actually really easy to use. It shows you which speedways carry the kerosene oil. Prepaid? You prepaid?
I prepaid.
Okay, how many gallon?
5 gallon.
Wow. How much did you pay for 5 gallon?
20 something.
2.5 gallon thing from Home Depot is $24. I would do a little bit more research because you can't use any kind of kerosene. It has to be like K-1 kerosene. It has to be clean, low sulfur, and so it's safer and it burns normally in the heaters. 들어가는 게 안 보여. Do you need a flashlight?
One's done.
Okay. 그럼 어떻게 해? 좀 덜어 그냥. What's better than corn nuts for a long drive?
I think that's like our go-to every time we go.
Like you don't get too full either, but it's like a good munchie. Seriously, right? 아닌가? No, that's vacuum.
Just vacuum in there.
없네. Yeah, corn nuts are a really good snack. I just feel like, because we're gonna have lunch when we get there. We just don't want to get too full from it, no? Hey everyone, we're here at the campsite. Tong is setting up the tent, but I'm going to make a quick sandwich for us so we could go hiking. There's no time to waste time. Oh, gotta make some. First use some cabbage. I'll use an egg. No? 2 eggs. 오, 대박. 오. 뭔가 이거 그림 나오는데? Look. Big. 햄이 많이 없네. 쌈물. 어? 그래서? Sandwich.
Wow. Wowzers.
Our setup is a little different today.
Hmm.
I'll show you guys more later, but I think I'm gonna eat first. We're pretty much done with the setup. We got our meal. So next thing, I think we're gonna head out to just a trail and then take some photos, chill out, digest a little bit. Can't wait to get a toasty in here.
Ah.
Just doing a family walk. This is our site. I don't know if you guys can see, but this entire area, it's a cliff,
Oh, is that what they call valley?
a valley, and then it leads to the Twin Valley Lake over there. But I don't think we're gonna be able to make it that far because the sun's going down and we didn't bring any of our headlights or anything. So, let's go. Eat yum yum. We just came back. Huh?
You look beautiful. No more. Oh my goodness.
Kind of about 40-minute to an hour hike. I'm gonna put in my mukluks. I think we're gonna start cooking because I do have to cook rice. But I want to do a quick shout out to Kovea for sending us this pot. So this has 3 pots and 1 frying pan, and then they also sent this table. Really awesome thing about this table is that it has 3 heights. So right now it's at the medium. I think it's perfect for just sitting on our camping chair, but it could go higher if you want like a stand. It could go lower, so when we're sitting on the ground, like last time we camped, it would have been perfect actually. I thought that's why this table is really neat, because you could, it has like, you know, different settings. And this pot, I was actually really excited to receive this because it's so convenient. I mean, it's a little heavy, but in this little container it has 4 things, which we're gonna use all today. So on the top, this kind of works as a lid, but this is frying pan, and it comes with this little handle where you can kind of clip on to the pan or the pot and becomes a full set. There is the smallest one. This one I'm going to use today as our rice cooker. And then there's medium one. I think this will be good for like ramyeon, like 3 bags of ramyeon. I think this will be perfect. And there's a bigger pot, and the biggest pot comes with a little handle. So when if you wanna cook over like campfire, you just wanna hang it somewhere like this to cook, I think this one's perfect. No, which one do you wanna use for 오뎅? 이거 쓸까? 아니면은 이거 쓸까?
큰 거 해.
큰 거?
Right? Yeah, let's use the big one.
Yeah. I used to have like a whole set of like frying pans like a long time ago. I thought it was pretty neat, but it wasn't like that practical using it at home. But at camping, this is pretty neat. 네가 배터리 놓고.
아직 안 틀어졌어?
안 틀었어. 배터리 넣어야 돼. I didn't want it to trigger when we're driving. Okay. So I actually washed my rice because I realized that it's just a pain to wash the rice when it's freezing outside. So that's a test. It's okay, baby. This one is, when I saw this, I was like, oh my god, this is the perfect size for rice. 그냥 다 할까?
Yeah.
근데 이거 밥 다 하면은 너무. Look at that rice. It's all washed. So convenient. That one little difference, you know? Now we're gonna actually put this on top of the kerosene heater because it's pretty hot and I think it's fine. Hi, good boy. 이거를 어떻게 자를까? 그냥 먹을 거야?
Chunk. No. Isn't it just for the
아니야,
soup?
먹어도 맛있어.
No, I never, because I've seen it, but nice. All time. No.
좀 크게. I think
Yes. See?
Yeah.
No, but only 4 came, right?
We're gonna use this like little mixed fish cakes. I got this one because it comes with this secret sauce apparently. I'm gonna put this one in there. Or maybe I'm gonna put 2.
Hey, it's windy as heck.
Is it really?
It's like windy. Go this way.
Oh, another thing I got was this odeng soup base. I feel like they don't give you enough in these packages. It's always a little short. Because I like a lot of soup. So I'm gonna put one in here.
Should I break this in half? So we can have.
너무 짧지 않아? 여기 it's gonna like sink then. Don't you think? I don't know. Yeah, do you want your stick to be wet? Ew! What the hell?
I didn't say anything.
That's the progress.
Pikachu.
Have this,
Ooh.
right? 여기다 이렇게 하자. 오, 이거 괜찮은데?
뭐하게?
여기서 꽂혀놔. What the hell is this?
You want this?
No. 아씨. 예. 한쪽으로 몰아내. 많이 들어가. 한쪽에 뭐 하느라고 지금 방금 뭐라고 말했어?
I don't have to listen to you. You're not my mother.
이거 거지야. Dude, look at this. How smart this is. 이거 뭐야? 이거 뭐 이렇게 했어?
Isn't it cute?
Okay, I'm gonna put the ugly ones here. 와 진짜. 와, I didn't give you one. Why'd you do it here?
I did one.
Okay, I think this is enough, babe. I don't
Dude,
think-
that's awesome.
다 못
You'll save
먹어.
this later.
어.
Yeah.
There we have it. Ta-da! Look how tasty this looks. Amin knows it too. So for this one, we want to just leave it on top of that.
그 정도면 될까? 뭘 하게. Okay. Oh, you're getting good at this.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I need a chaser. How about someone?
Honey, you don't need to take off. Just enjoy it. Yummy.
Oh, 세다.
Yeah, this one's strong too.
참기름.
파, 오뎅, 제육볶음.
오.
오씨. 이거 괜찮아 뭐?
I don't know. Do
Yeah,
you want
this
to do
is
the
really
honors?
good quality.
응. 진짜 옷 밑에 타지도 않았어. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's not burnt, and it looks like this rice is.
Perfecto.
I don't know. It looks really good. 괜찮아?
응.
좋아.
와우.
잘됐어?
응.
잘했어.
잘했어.
와, 진짜 꼬들밥이네.
I like it. I like it. I like it.
잘했다.
Okay. I just want this.
응.
If I had this, oh my goodness, in my mom's restaurant.
Will improve your performance. 어우 좋아.
소스가 있어?
아, 써있어.
그러던가. 너무 좋아하지 않아?
그치? 좀 넣을까? 응? 자글자글 잘해졌다. 치즈. Looks so good.
Wow, that is just.
그만 먹을 건가? 오, 야 이거 바빠 진짜.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It doesn't really have that taste. You know what I'm talking about? But it's definitely good. Yeah.
그래도 조금 취한 것 같은데?
That's possible.
이거 쎄.
응.
What's that rice?
We should put the camera here.
국물 좀 떠줄까?
응?
국물 좀 떠줄까?
That's good. 좋을 건데.
뜨거. 진짜 또 바람 부니까.
오.
와우.
Alright.
진짜 소주인데 이거는?
소주각. Right?
그러니까.
Kind of hope that it didn't make too much like that stainless noise. What's it called? That ting ting ting. But other than that, it's good. You used to get this too, right, on the streets?
근데 나 때는 떡볶이가 컵 떡볶이였어.
Yeah, me too. And then they actually individual count. 떡 하나에?
나 그 정도까지는 아니었어.
왜?
그냥 500원 하나 컵.
500원 for an egg. 300원?
나 계란 안 먹었는데.
Especially after school, people, we all line up.
나 학교 끝나고 병아리 샀었는데.
그치, that's a meal. Because they have to kill it anyway. 진짜 포차네 여기가 포차네.
그러니까 천막 이런 거.
오렌지
This was
색깔로.
orange.
아니면 그 있잖아, the bamboo net. We just hang that there in the menu.
That was so cool. 그냥 메뉴만 달아줘.
That'd be cute. We should do that next one. I will print out a bunch of Gamsung stuff.
Like what we're gonna eat today.
나 한다. You
stupid.
stupid,
Is this one good?
Yeah, that one's really good.
Damn.
It's the Major League one. Damn. Damn, woman.
근데 이거 쑥 신경쓰지 않았을까? 물 넣어가지고 괜찮나?
I don't really care. Freaking amazing.
이게 국자가 너무 불편해.
Right?
I wish it was like more like 이렇게 생겨.
It definitely does not taste like a snack, right?
Mm.
It's more like a gourmet, like.
야, 비가 진짜 엄청 오는데?
눈.
눈인가 무엇인가. 뭐야? 왜 안 보이지? Well, it's not. Okay, it's not bad, but it's like blowing this way. So it's snowing and windy as hell. Snowy and windy as hell. I didn't film this, but I actually bought these tent stakes meant for ice camping. So it went in, right? It's like a kind of like a screw stake, so it worked, but we only were able to do 4 corners. But this is a bigger tent, so I mean, if you had more, obviously it'll be more wind resistant, but it's fine. So we just ate a bunch of stuff. Oh my god, we're so stuffed. I'm so stuffed.
A little hard.
We did, man. We really want to make a use out of the Kovea pots, and these guys are awesome. Like the biggest one with the fish cake, it's still hot. If you open it, like steam comes out. I mean, it is cold in here, but it stays really hot for a long time. Even our rice one, it stayed pretty warm for like a few hours after we cooked it. It's gonna be a really useful and practical thing for our camping. So it's supposed to rain and snowish till tomorrow morning. So, and I really don't want to fold everything when the weather's like that. So Tong did suggest staying another night. I don't mind. I mean, like we have everything. Everything's comfortable. Like we're pretty comfortable here. The only reason why I sort of don't want to is because my camera is gonna die and like I don't have a charger. I didn't bring a charger. That one day I don't bring a charger. But I don't mind just staying here just to stay, you know. So we'll see tomorrow if it's really bad and if it's not worth like packing all the tent, because I don't want to pack it when it's wet, you know. I mean, we don't have any more food, but if we need anything, we could just always drive out. There's a bunch of stuff here. It's pretty civilized here, you know. We did like a little short walk around the campsite. There's one van that we saw last time, and there's another group where they have scamp. So cute. I think this is my 3rd time seeing it. Every time I see it, it's so cute. Everyone has like a little different decoration. But what's the temperature in here, babe?
Ooh.
Yeah, it's very windy.
61.
61 in here. And I just increased it. Lower a little bit. Oh my god. He's so cute. Oh, that's my bra. So this string right here is for a fan. Yeah. I think the battery thing's probably running out, but look how cozy it looks.
So how come whenever you turn your camera on, you change it to nice person?
This in front of the tent because it's not very flat here. So shut up. Sleep outside. Sleep outside.
Good night, KEEMI.
He looks comfortable. But it's been crazy. I mean, it's kind of slowing down, but it's still windy as heck. We put a fan right here on this Kovea table. Hopefully it blows directly and then into our tent. So I hope this works out for tonight. Good night, everyone. Good night, babe. I think we're gonna have a really warm night and comfortable sleep. Now you won't.
Why aren't you bringing your pillow?
No. 안에 출근 들어오세요. Good morning, everyone. Dong and I had a really good sleep last night. It was around 65, 66 inside the tent, like throughout the night. We had the heater at its lowest, but I don't know if you guys can see. We clipped on the fan to the Kovea table, and then it it's kind of leveled with the heater. So whatever the heat came out, it'll just flow into our tent. Man, it was really nice and toasty. We even turned off our heating mat, right? I asked him in the middle of the night to turn it off or like lower or something. So it was very like, it wasn't even like, I mean like it was hot for Tom because he was like wearing sweaters and stuff. But for me, at one point I was out of my sleeping bag. I was just so comfortable. We had the puzzle mat under our tent, just our tent. So comfortable, nothing but B. It was just flat. Our backs were happy. I woke up at 6 o'clock. Walked on it to the bathroom, and I'm just making coffee right now.
감사. It's gonna go through it.
들어가. Alright everyone, it's time to clean up. My trash is in a little baggie right there. This box isn't the sturdiest, but one of the reasons why I got it is because like I could put like stuff on top, you know, and then I still have access to stuff inside. If I open it like this, and it actually opens this bottom too. So that's why one of the reasons why I got it. But I know there are a lot of other options available now. So if this breaks, I'm gonna just get a more sturdy one. The reason why I don't like it because this top kind of sinks in if it's like a little heavy.